In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Miro. Whether you're planning a project, managing tasks, or coordinating efforts among team members, a Gantt chart can be a fantastic tool to visualize and organize your work. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step with ease. First, open your Miro account, and you'll find yourself on the dashboard, surrounded by all the boards that belong to your team. To begin setting up your Gantt chart, look for the option labeled Explore Templates. It's usually visible towards the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking here will open up a wide array of templates that Miro provides, designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. In this template gallery, type the word Gantt in the search bar located at the top. This will quickly pull up all available Gantt chart templates. You'll notice several options popping up, each catering to different needs and preferences, so take a moment to browse through them and select the one that best aligns with your project requirements. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the template, and you'll find an option that says Use Template. This is your go-to button for applying the template directly to your project. Clicking it will initiate the process, setting up a preliminary framework for you to start building out your Gantt chart. Now, with the template ready, you're going to create a new team board to house this Gantt chart. On the top right, you'll see a prompt to Create Team Board. By clicking this, a new board will be generated where you and any team members you decide to invite can collaborate seamlessly. And there you have it, your Gantt chart. Template is set and ready to be customized. You can start by defining your project timeline, inputting tasks, and assigning responsibilities. Remember, each task can be extended to span across a start and end date, making it a visual tracking tool that shows progress over time. Additionally, don't forget to take advantage of Miro's features to add comments, share ideas, or adjust timelines as needed. This flexibility is part of what makes Miro such a powerful tool for team collaboration. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively managing your projects with ease and precision. As always, feel free to explore and tweak your Gantt chart to fit your unique project needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy planning with your new Gantt chart in Miro.